Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ship internationally with FedEx. So, first is prepare your shipment. Make sure that you pack your items securely, weigh and measure the package with length, width, and height, and check for restricted or prohibited items for the destination country. Next is create a shipping label. Head over to FedEx.com or use the FedEx Ship Manager tool and enter in the sender and recipient addresses, package weight and dimensions, and shipping service if it's FedEx International Priority or Economy. Next is fill out customs documentation. For international shipments, you usually need commercial invoice, and airway bill or AWB, which is your shipping label, and other documents if required. The next step is scheduling your pickup or drop off. Schedule a pickup through FedEx online or by phone, or drop off the package at the FedEx location or authorized ship center. Next is to track your shipment. You can always use your tracking number to monitor the shipment's progress online. FedEx will also update you if customs holds or duties or taxes apply. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!